Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a 69 Pontiac GTO here for you today. It's about to hit our showroom. This car is excellent. It's got its PHS documents with it, 400 buckets, console, shift, really super nice car. Dark green with the beige interior, great color combo. Really shows well. Awesome, super straight body. Really nice gaps all the way around it. It's been repainted. The car originally came as the lighter green they offered. It's been changed to the midnight green, which you see here. It's a darker green. It's a much nicer color. Also, the car came originally with a vinyl top, and that has been removed as well, which also looks really sharp in my opinion. I'm gonna hop in, fire it up here for you. You know, like, check out this door gap here. Just excellent. Base GTO, 400 engine. Starts up perfect. Got your idiot lights and fuel over there. This is an actual mileage vehicle on the title, that is 97,623 miles. Factory air. Radio turns on. I can't get it to make a signal. This is for the speaker. Buzzes, but no signal right now. Get the air. A little dusty. And it's getting nice and cold. Does have records with it and PHS. Does have a reproduction window sticker. Check out our photo gallery for close-up pictures of the PHS and the window sticker. Door closes super easy. AC compressor, clutch is cycling. I'm gonna turn it off. You can see the clutch turned off. So check this out, Pontiac 400 engine. This does appear to be the numbers matching engine, has the VIN number stamped onto the front of the block. That does match the car. Check out our photo gallery for a picture of that. You have power steering, power brakes, factory style intake manifold, and a quadrajet carburetor under there. MSD ignition. Great power, super smooth, runs really strong. Low beams, parking lights, and check out this front end. These are usually, the front ends on these GTOs are usually cracked and they don't fit very well. This one fits very well, and I don't see much for cracks at all. It is in really good condition. touch up right there. Side. Small crack there, but not much. It fits really, really well. Same on this side. Those door gaps there. This is pretty cool. GTO rear side marker. It says GTO on it. Pretty cool. Nice period correct exhaust note. Super clean, straight body. It appears it has its original floor pans and quarters. Trunk. I don't have the keys to the trunk, but it's super tidy in there. We'll have pictures of that on our website. Well, also on our website, you'll be able to find detailed undercarriage pictures. You can see how clean and original it is under there. And if you're interested in this GTO, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have all the PHS on there, all the pictures. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. carsrememberwhen.com. If you're looking for a clean, original looking GTO, this is the car for you. Please give us a call. Thanks.